Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss about process APIs in Java. So, process API is a API which is used to access the system processes. So, we know in our system there are multiple processes executing simultaneously. So, process API helps us to access those processes one by one, and we can find the children of the processes and get information about the process ID we can get, and we will be able to monitor the processes by using the process API. And it is allow there are new enhancements after Java 9. So after Java 9 there was in process API was improved, and process class has added new methods, and there are process handle and process handle.info method interfaces are added to the particular process API. Now let us see some of the methods which are present in the process API. So here we can see the methods. So here you can see process handler will return handle will return the process handle object, and other methods are like it will process PID method will return you the process ID of the particular process. Each process will have a unique process ID, and it will be returned using the process ID method. And then children will return the children of the particular process. A process can have multiple children, so that's why there is that function method. And after that there is descendants and process handle info object returning function, and finally we will have on exit method. So we will see some of the methods in the example. Thank you for watching. Now let us see the programs based on the process API. Now let us see a program based on the process API. So process API is used to access the process information and get the details about a process in the system. So let us start this program. So here we will have a process handle object, and for that particular object I will be using process handle dot current. It will return me the current in process what it is running, and I will print the details of the processes one by one. You can take some time to check out all these methods which are present in the process API. There are several methods. Using these methods we can get all the details about a process in Java, and you can see one by one I am printing all the details one by one, line by line. And now let us see the output of this program. So here you can see one by one all the details of the particular process is coming, current process is coming, process ID, everything is getting printed, and you can see all the values. So this is it about this lecture in about process API. So process API helps us to manipulate the processes and get information about the processes which are running in your system. So it is a very helpful API, and in Java 9 it was enhanced to have more interfaces and methods into the particular class. So thank you for watching this lecture. I will be back with the next lecture in the next video. Thank you.